What's up, guys? Primetime Brandon here, and I'm gonna do a car racing challenge. So what you're gonna do is to go back and forth, and well, actually, if you go there, it goes like forward. All right, let's do this. All right. Okay, Robert. Let's back to ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, and then let's go over here to go come back to the men's bathroom. Oh, round two. Okay, let's start over here by the water sink. Okay, and then come back to one of the water sink one as well. Okay. Okay, round three, the final round. So as might be able to go here and as well like this. So I'm gonna put okay, we come back to the bathroom again. Okay, that's it. So that's the okay. Okay, guys, that's the car racing challenge. Okay, comment, like, subscribe. New videos every day. Post 2 videos today. Car racing challenge, and now I will do something else. I don't know. So this is Primetime Brandon featuring 2017, and peace.